So my name is Tanush. I'm your music teacher. I will teach you how to play piano or a keyboard.
Okay.
Can you just tell me what's the difference between a piano and a keyboard, if you know?
Keyboard is electric
Yes.
and a piano is not electric.
Yes.
See.
Practice this on your keyboard.
This. Oh, okay.
Then play. Then what will be C sharp now?
This one.
Yes, play. Now D. Okay, D sharp. Fine. Now come to F. Play F. So what would be F sharp?
What did you say, sir?
What would be the F sharp?
F sharp.
Do you see any black key after it?
Yes, sir.
So this will be A sharp.
Okay, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
come back to C. Okay. Play D sharp. No, D sharp. Yes. Now C. Okay. Play F. F sharp. G. A sharp. Yes, good. Now B. B sharp. No. There's no B sharp and there's no E sharp. Remember this.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And you can see, like, we are starting from C. C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then it starts again from C. And then repeat itself. Again C, D, E, F, G, like this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So place your one thumb on C. Thumb. Place your thumb. And your little finger, which is pinky finger, place on other. Like one thumb on C and another finger on another C. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.